Shortened dictation for practice start. In the coming years, requirements for rapid changes in the skills of a large number of people in periods of say 3 to 5 years may become a continuous feature when newer technologies are introduced into the economy. Such rapid changes will occur in all sectors, underlining how the agriculture, manufacturing, and service sectors are intervened. In the agriculture sector, there will be better optimization of input resources like seeds, soil conditioning, fertilizer, micronutrient mixes, pesticides, and so on, as well as changes in the overall agriculture management. The agriculture sector may also use information technology much more intensely than it does now, be it in the use of remote sensing through satellites for regular monitoring of crops and soil conditions or water resources, or for better weather forecasts through satellites and ground borne systems, or in the use of modern communications to be in closer touch with old or new markets. Water quality may be monitored more carefully in the future, whether for human or animal consumption. Rapid improvements in advanced sensors would make it possible to have such sensing systems at affordable prices in many of our sectors.